Magandang hapon po ng November 14, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng November 14, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, November 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 14, 2024, Thursday. Here is my tonight's jackpot estimates for Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, November 14, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for November 14, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.